Hello there, you all. Happy first day of August. So I'm excited about this month because this month I am doing a flat tummy smoothie challenge. Doing it for myself because, sister getting up there in age, the body's starting to change a little bit in the direction that I don't really care for. So this month I am going to reset and start with doing a smoothie a day every single day for the month of August, you all. It is August 1st, 2025. Hi there, my name is Peter Gay Barrett. I am a certified weight loss, nutrition, and fitness specialist. I specialize in teaching you how to use a healthy smoothie, such as this one that I am about to make, to heal your body from chronic diseases, to prevent and treat chronic diseases such as high blood pressure, high blood sugar, high cholesterol, and obesity. And I am resetting this 48-year-old body, and we're making a smoothie every single day for this month of August. We're going to run through the ingredients. We're going to show you how to make the smoothie. You guys are going to comment if you're going to join me this month for this flat tummy smoothie challenge, you all. Let's talk about it. Now, there's going to be a plethora of other health benefits that you will get from having a smoothie such as this one. In addition to losing some weight, if that is your goal, my goal is to lose 5 pounds in this month of August, you all, 5 pounds. So, what I am going to do is to have only a smoothie for breakfast, which I have kind of been doing, but sometimes I'll dabble here and there, and I'll go to work and have some potatoes, or I may have a little piece of toast, or some yogurt or something like that. The only thing we will be having for breakfast is this smoothie. Then we will have lunch and we will have dinner. And my goal is to not have anything to snack in between, and see if that can help me to just knock off that extra 5 pounds that I'm looking for. So, in addition to the weight loss, this is going to help with boosting your immune system, boosting your energy and your stamina, aiding with regulating your blood glucose level, and aiding in regulating your blood pressure level. It's going to also help with blood flow and blood circulation, and a plethora of other health benefits. So, as I am getting ready to go to work, we're going to run through the ingredients. We're going to make this smoothie real quickly. You guys are going to join me, and we're going to see the goals that we're looking for, as long as we can be consistent and stick to it. This video I'm posting mainly for YouTube, so I will be posting every single day. Now, the first week, we will be doing the exact same smoothie every single day for the first week. And then I'll give you the recipe a day or so before. The second week, we'll do a second smoothie, the third week, and so forth. So let's run through it really quickly. I have about a half a cup of raspberries right here. It's frozen raspberries that I purchased at the market. It's about a half a cup. Right here, you see, is bell peppers. Bell peppers is packed with the antioxidant vitamin C, you all. And if in case you don't know that, so we're putting bell peppers in our smoothie. We have raw unsalted almonds right here. It's going to give you that plant-based protein you're looking for, plant-based fats, healthy fibers that's going to help with the cholesterol as well. We're going to put some ground flaxseed, you all. Brown flaxseed, another great source of your omega-3 fats, of your healthy protein. It has iron in it and fiber in it that's going to help with that cholesterol as well. We're going to put apple cider vinegar, you guys. So now this apple cider vinegar is honey and cayenne, and it helps with wellness cleansing. But apple cider vinegar is also going to help to regulate that blood glucose level. For those of you who are diabetic, I go get you some apple cider vinegar. You can just get regular apple cider vinegar with the mother. Bragg's is my choice of preference. The Bragg is my preference. And then I'm going to add a scoop of this turmeric and beetroot mix. It's going to help with blood flow, blood circulation. That ginger is in it. That's going to help with that gut health. Beetroot's going to give me the energy and stamina that I am looking for. And let's get into making this smoothie, and only 2 cups of water, you all. So, how I make my smoothie, you guys, is actually usually easy, usually pretty quick. I just dump my ingredients. Again, it's about a half a cup of raspberries, and this is about a handful of chopped up red bell peppers, you all. Again, great antioxidant. A lot of you all need some boosting of that immune system. You've never added the bell peppers to your smoothie, you're going to start by doing that now, you guys. Then I'm going to actually have some strawberries right here. I forgot I had some strawberries. I'm gonna have 3 large strawberries right here, and then a handful of raw unsalted almonds. I think I forgot the strawberries right here. So what we have so far, we have the raspberries, we have the bell pepper, we have almonds, we have strawberries. I am going to put 1 tablespoon of the ground flaxseed. 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. That's going in right here. So you guys go ahead and write this down. I'm gonna actually put the you will see the recipe or the ingredients right here. I'll leave that up here for a minute or so. Before I put this, I am going to shake really well my apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to put 1 tablespoon. You can put 2 if you like, 2 tablespoons. Of your apple cider vinegar. And then I am going to do a half a scoop of my turmeric and beetroot mix. For you all, I recommend, if you're looking to reduce your blood pressure and you're looking to boost your energy and stamina, use a full scoop. If you haven't used this before, use a half a scoop just to kind of get you going. This turmeric and beetroot mix, it's available on my website, barrett.fitness. I'll put the link in the description below. It's also available on eBay, and I'll put the link to that below. On eBay, I think if you buy more than one, you get a discount. So I'll put the link for this in the description below. And there you have it, you guys. Let's see if we can walk through these ingredients one more time. We have the red bell peppers, we have raspberries, we have strawberries, we have almonds, we have ground flaxseed, turmeric and beet mix, apple cider vinegar, and then we're going to add about 1.5 cups of water. This is 1 cup. Yep. And then this is 1/2 cup. That's what we're adding. Then you're going to get whatever blender you choose, you all. I am a NutriBullet lady. I've been using NutriBullet for years now. It's worked for me. I love how it blends my smoothie out, blend all the ingredients together. And we're going to blend. And look at this color and this beauty, you all. I like mine over ice. Some people will blend their smoothie with ice, but I like to blend it with just the water and then pour it over ice. So I'm gonna get some ice. We're gonna blend it a little bit more. Just like that, you all, the breakfast is ready. Remember, we're doing a smoothie every single day for the month of August, you all. Here we go. I'll leave the ingredients right up here. And you're going to see how smooth and creamy this baby is without adding bananas or protein powder. Perfect amount. Let's give it a taste test, you all. Just like that, my breakfast is ready, you guys. Gotta rush out to work, but I wanted you all to join me on this journey Again, my personal goal is to lose about 5 pounds in 30 days. Set realistic goals, attainable goals, goals that you can attain, goals that are realistic. And 5 pounds in 30 days is quite realistic. We're doing a smoothie a day every single day for the month of August. Will you join me?